Today we're showing you a 2021 Kubota BX23S tractor. It's a four-wheel drive tractor with loader and backhoe. Talk about a slick little unit. This tractor is practically brand new. Comes with the backhoe and the loader. We're talking like 15 hours in this unit, so it is practically brand new. It does come with the balance of the factory Kubota warranty. Check the listing there for the exact dates, but it's going to have quite a bit of warranty on it. The LA340 loader is quick attach, and then the bucket itself is quick attach as well with the skid steer style hookup. As you can see, the tractor looks new, and again with only, I believe it's 10 or 15 hours on the unit, we're talking a practically brand new unit here. Hydrostatic transmission, forward and reverse pedals, high-low range, four-wheel drive, all located to the right here. Got a really nice seat on these units. That seat does turn around to service your backhoe here as well, so the same seat will go forward or reverse, which is quite a bit nicer than some of the other models. Kubota backhoe here goes with it. It's the BT603. As you can see, we have barely had any digging. The way it looks here, we barely have any paint off of the bucket. Just about as close to new as we're going to be able to get for you. Again, 10 or 15 hours on the unit. We'll check the exact hours here. It looks like 11.4 are the exact hours on this unit as we speak here. So practically brand new unit. Mid PTO as well. If you ever want to add a belly deck, you can do that. This is not a scratch. That's just something that flew on the tractor. We do take trades. We also offer financing for qualified customers. We can arrange shipping anywhere here within the U.S. If you have any questions regarding this tractor or any of our other used machines, please contact us at maskedtractor.com.